You guys want
Alrighty,
affiliate
I'm on a
stuff?
call with Hormozi right now.
First?
Let me turn him down for a second. Sorry, Hormozi, I love you. But I want to share with you something I just learned that I thought was really, really powerful and could honestly help a lot of you guys out because some of you may not have the luxury of hopping on calls with Hormozi. But if you do, then simply click the link down below. You can sign up for a free school trial and get these free calls with Hormozi. Okay, using my affiliate link. Anyways, what Hormozi just said is that in the beginning of starting a business, all your focus should be on marketing, which is fundamentally just letting more people know about what you do and that you exist. Because if you don't let people know, you can't make sales. For example, if you have the cure to cancer, it doesn't matter if you have the cure to cancer if you don't give it to anybody. So you can have the best product in the world, but if you do not tell anybody about that product and or service, it doesn't matter. So you should first let people know, then focus on what you're going to give them. Now, I want to share with you something that really, really hit home. Hormozi then went on to say that doing market research, watching YouTube videos, reading books, listening to podcasts, you name it, hopping on calls with people, asking questions are all great, but are just mental masturbation and validate your reasoning for not doing the work because you think you're still learning, so you can learn enough information so you can learn the special thing that you need to know so you can then start to market and let people know. But he said fundamentally that doesn't work because the only way that you get more customers is by letting more people know about what it is that you do. Not by reading books, not by watching YouTube videos, and not by doing market research. You could do all of that, and in a year from now, if that's all you did, you would still not make any more money because still nobody would know that you exist and what it is that you do. And so I think the thing that most people need to hear is that the only way that you make more money, if you have no customers, if you have customers, you can make more money by making your current clients worth more. But if you have no customers, fundamentally, the only way for you to make more money is to sign more clients. It is to get more people to know about your thing and then get them to buy that thing. Which if that's the only way you make more money, the only thing you should be focusing on is how can I get more people to know about my thing? And so if you want to look at that from a calendar perspective, your calendar, your time should be optimized for how can I let more people know? How can I do more cold calls, do more cold emails, send more DMs, make more content? How can I run more ads, up my budget? How can I let more people know? Because the more people know that you exist and what it is that you do, the more clients you close. So stop with the mental masturbation. Stop with all these unnecessary things like figuring out your go high level sequences or learning about the newest sales trick or how to write good copy. Sign clients because that's what's going to matter in the end. That's how you grow a business. It's by getting clients. It's by getting clients, by servicing, getting feedback from those clients and then iterating. It goes as follows: action, feedback, iteration, action, feedback, iteration. That's it. Doing something, getting feedback, and then making it better. You don't get better at tennis by watching other people play tennis. You get better at tennis by going out there and playing, getting somebody to watch you play, telling you what you can improve on, and then improving on that thing. And then doing it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. And there will come a point where watching other people play tennis may make you better. Just not at the beginning. And a lot of us are at the beginning. And so if you take one thing from this, if you take one thing from this from whether it be Hormozi, okay, or whether that be from me, is that if you want to make more money, you need to do the input. You need to do the thing that's going to make you more money. And I'll tell you another quote, which I heard from Hormozi last week when I was on the call. And it goes as follows. He said that how I fundamentally work businesses is I scale something so hard until something breaks. And when something breaks, I then fix that thing and go back to scaling. So Hormozi said on the call last week. Okay? Now he scales, aka just set appointments, close appointments, like just close clients until something breaks, until the show up rate is 0%, until every client is fucking pissed at him, until nobody's responding to the message, until everybody's giving objections, right? He scales until something breaks, and when it breaks, then he fixes it. And what he said is that most people do it backwards. They try and fix things before they're broken. They try and fix the show up rate before they even have enough appointments for people to show. They try and get better at sales when they've only had 2 sales calls. They try and make the perfect product when they have 1 client. Those things aren't broken yet. So, I hope that me reiterating stuff that Hormozi has taught me can maybe help you out. Peace.